Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make very lovely spring salad from dandelions. So first of all you need to go to garden and find few very young sprouts of dandelions. Just cut them completely. It's good to do before you cut your grass first time. And try to do not catch too much litter and rubbish. And of course check for snails and other insects and remove them. So leave them in the garden. I'll show you how to cook snails later on. Okay, then you need to wash dandelions and remove all old and hard leaves, all flowers which are quite old or already turned into fluff. But it takes a lot of water, and I think it's better to wash it in the bucket with water. Yeah, and nice bunches of dandelions are ready for cooking. To make a salad we need to have a bunch of our dandelions, a couple of carrots, couple of onion, few garlic, 1 hot chili, half of lemon, roasted sesame seeds, soy sauce, sesame oil, Korean chili flakes, soy paste, and a couple of boiled eggs. So now let's make a dressing. So finally chop the chili pepper, press a couple of garlic cloves, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of soybean paste, add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes cachugaro, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and press juice from half of the lemon. Do it from the sieve to remove all seeds and mix it quite well and set aside. Now finally slice onion, finally slice carrot to make it salad size, or how it's called, julienne, the carrot. And now let's cook. Bring water to boil and salt it quite well. And when the water starts to boil, add our dandelion. And make sure that it's everything covered by water. And then boil it for 5 minutes. When dandelions are boiled for 5 minutes, remove them, dry a little bit. And now preheat oil in the pan and fry carrot until it will be soft. Don't fry too much. So when the carrot is fried, you can fry onion in the same oil. So onion fry until it starts to be brown. Yeah, when onion is ready, set it aside and chill it down with carrot. We're doing cold salad, so everything should be chilled. So now you can chop dandelions, but also you can check for some dried grass and things like that which you need to remove. That's why I don't like it to pick from the garden. Sometimes it's too much rubbish there. Okay, now mix everything in the bowl. Dandelion, carrot, onion, your salad dressing, and mix it quite well. Yeah, now it's time to serve. So now it's time to serve it. Let's place everything into the salad bowl. It should be looks nice. Then we can sprinkle a little bit with the green onion and place our sliced eggs. That's it. Okay, now we can sprinkle a little bit with roasted sesame seeds. And now it's time to try. I think it's absolutely beautiful taste, so it's very nice. And with egg it is much better. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you, bye.